first moved to America, our landlord happened to be Mr. Shea, who is also this team's co-founder. And back then, the team didn't really have a room at the Lindbergh High School, so they built robots in garages, and one of the garages that they worked in was our garage. So I got to see a working FRC robot, and even keep and play with some of the parts that they had, including this one little plastic pulley that fit really well with my Lego pieces.
I actually heard about the Funky Monkeys when I was in 5th grade. I was best friends with the sister of one of the members here. I always heard her sister and her talk about how cool the Funky Monkeys were. Unfortunately, at that time, I wasn't even attending the same district. I was really lucky when we actually moved because I could actually be part of the team that I'd wanted to be part of for so long.
When I first joined the Funky Monkeys, I wasn't sure where I was going to fit in, but then I heard about the Girls Subsystem, which is a safe space where all the girls on the team can collaborate together and make one subsystem on the robot. This has started since 2014, and it's been a continuous cycle since then. When I joined this team, and 2 senior girls came up to me and asked me if I wanted to join the Girls Subsystem, saying yes was the best decision I could have ever made. Because now as one of the senior girl members on the team, I get to teach younger members what I had learned a few years ago, and it makes me feel honored to see these young girls flourish as well.
Last year I created a video talk show for our team called Monkey Box. We're able to share our techniques with teams around the world. We also founded the Miller Robotics Club, where members of our team mentor students from a local middle school about robotics at weekly meetings. We host an annual FLL information meeting, strategy session, and scrimmage for local teams, encouraging and aiding participation in FLL. In total, we reached over 800 students and coaches from 50 FLL teams through these events, inspiring and fostering the local FLL community. In a touching thank you letter, research scientist Weila Wang wrote, "Your activities help set up role models for the younger kids to develop their interest in robotics as well as community services."
Talented artists and writers on the team also contribute to spreading the message of FIRST. Each year, we work meticulously on newsletters highlighting learning experiences, accomplishments, and stories on our team. We share this and our photo journal with sponsors and at demos like the annual Fall Festival. Additionally, this year, our team was even invited to promote FIRST at the Semiconductor Industry Association, presenting to major companies in the technology industry.
We've also shared the values of FIRST in collaboration with professional software developers on open source projects. Our team places a strong focus on giving back to the community that supports our work, and has made major contributions to projects used by thousands of professional developers.
The team's doing some pretty awesome open source work right now. Currently, I'm collaborating with professional computer science researchers at EPFL on the Scala Native project, building major changes that will make it possible for robot developers around the world to use the Scala programming language.